This is my Tesla Cybertruck, and it's been about 1,000 miles driven in this Cybertruck. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the good, the bad that has happened since my 1,000 mile review of my Tesla Cybertruck. So let's jump in. The first thing about this Tesla Cybertruck is I actually wrapped it in all black. As you can see, it's the shiny black. In person, it kind of looks like a matte black, but on the camera, it for sure looks like gloss black, and it's really shiny. So here's what I did. It's wrapped all gloss black. It has this carbon fiber cover for the lights over here. I'm sorry, for the side mirrors over here. And it's not real carbon fiber. It's plastic. And I put it on because I want it to look more aggressive and sporty looking. So as you can see here, all carbon fiber on that. And the truck is wrapped all black. Didn't do anything to the wheels. Wheels stayed the same, kept the same hub covers from the initial Tesla non-foundation series car. So tires are the same, hubcaps are the same. I thought about changing it, but I really like the range and the comfort. And then same here, no changes here as well. All the same. Everything is all basically standard. So no crazy differences here. Another thing I did to the exterior was I tinted the outside. The windows. So I went with I think a 35% tint. This is ceramic glass in the back, just that factory tint. And then this is about 35. I used to go darker, but I noticed when you have a flashy car, you tend to kind of get in trouble for having really dark tint. So I didn't really go too dark with the tint. For me, good enough. Car's already all black. The front over here, wrapped as well. Nothing crazy. We ceramic coated the entire car, so the whole exterior of the car is ceramic coated, and we went with the all black look. I put the car in the car wash, and I noticed in the car wash I do get this kind of issue where part of the car wash tends to break off and get stuck on the Tesla Cybertruck, which is kind of annoying, and I can't remove it. Sometimes I can remove it, sometimes I can't, but unfortunately for this guy, it looks like he is stuck unless we can remove it. Nope, yeah, it's definitely stuck. But whatever, it's better than washing the car. So that is stuck there. Hopefully it'll come off the next car wash, who knows. But essentially, here's the car in all its glory, all wrapped in black. I don't like the original look of the Cybertruck. I used to think it was cool, right? Just the whole silver in the car, but it's all wrapped in black now. And then we have the normal Cybertruck wheels. So everything all standing around except for the wrap. And overall, the car has held up pretty well. No kind of issues so far with regards to the car. The only thing that has broken on the exterior, let me give you a heads up, has been the windshield wiper. So this whole thing was replaced because it was streaking. So they replaced this entire thing. It was streaking pretty bad, and it was scratching the entire front of the car. So I kind of had that replaced. Let's just have some green sticker on there, but this whole thing got replaced. And fortunately for me, it's working now, and there's no issues anymore with regards to this whole windshield wiper. It's such a giant piece of the car, and you don't want it breaking. When it broke, it had streaks all over the front of the screen. So during the storms here in California, I couldn't see when I was driving, and it was just really annoying, and it was just bothering me. So luckily we're in the service center. They fixed it the same day, and we got the issue fixed. So that was the one thing that broke when I got the car. Let me show you another thing that broke when I got the car for 1,000 miles. So one thing that broke too was over here. This door over here on the back passenger door on the back right side, it was broken in a sense where you would feel a ton of wind coming out from over here. So they had to realign the window. It's so funny. I went to the Tesla service center, and the service center guy immediately saw what was wrong and fixed the whole issue. So he got that fixed, and now there is no more wind coming out from this portion of the car, which is nice. So I'm glad we were able to get that fixed. So let's go around here. Another thing that was wrong with the car was this front trunk was entirely misaligned. So this trunk here was higher than the frunk on this side. So it was just basically misaligned, and you could like it was pretty noticeable with the trunk. It was misaligned. Also, before I wrapped it, it was starting to rust over here. So I had rust all over the car on this side, and I literally just got for a day, which is kind of insane to think that after like a day it started rusting, which kind of sucks, but whatever. Okay, so overall, the car, no issues other than those kind of three main things. So let's look over here as well. All good here, no issues so far with regards to the tonneau. I haven't had any issues there, which is nice. And unlike most people where the tonneau was kind of breaking, for me, it hasn't been brought to the service center. It's been all good so far. It still opens, it still closes. The only thing I've noticed is that when I do open the tonneau and it's raining, or like it's been raining for a while, you open it, a ton of water will kind of fall inside the bed. Same thing here, when you open this, water will fall out through the bed. So, but that's kind of normal whenever you have a truck. So just kind of keep that in mind. With regards to the back, no issues so far. In the back, people see here all the time. Nothing has really broken. Screen's been fine. Seats have been fine. No issues inside the car whatsoever. So no really true issues in the back. The front, no issues as well. Nothing wrong here. Was able to just basically get the car all good. No issues. That's the good thing about this car. I have been good to go. Haven't been unfortunate to experience any issues with the car. The car drives really smooth. It's really quiet for the car, and I haven't had any issues. I think for me, the good thing about this car was that I got it on a kind of like the later versions. So I didn't get the foundation series, I got the now foundation series. So they're able to address a lot of issues that the foundation series people were facing.